Hi, for this problem we are to solve the area of the given oblique triangle. But we cannot use the usual formula of 1/2 base times height in solving the area of any triangle, since here we don't know the value of this line, which can be called as height perpendicular to your base. But we do have a formula or two formulas that we could use to determine the area of the given oblique triangle. But these two formulas will be dependent on the given measurement of our oblique triangle. Here we are given with one side. We are also given with another side. And this 61 degrees is your angle. This angle is included or in between the other two side measurements, and hence this is again an example of an SAS situation. So this is an example of an SAS situation where one angle or the given angle is included or in between the two side measurements. In order for us to solve this one, we will be using the formula for computing the area of an oblique triangle under SAS situation. The formula is given as the result when we multiply 1/2, a certain A, a certain B, and sine of your given angle. Here, you could decide which is A and which is B. But your C is there automatically the angle that you are given with. Now this is actually derived from the usual formula of 1/2 base times height. If we are going to treat this as our side A, and this would be our side B, the value of B sine C is actually the measurement of your height. So this is still 1/2 base, which is A, times height, which is actually B sine C, which is derived from the relationship of the height and this right triangle here formed with the 7 as your hypotenuse and your angle here. Using sine of the trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio, it's just the ratio of opposite, which is your height and your hypotenuse, hence this formula. We will be substituting the two side measurements as for our SAS situation, and this is our angle. So we are going to just simply compute them at once. In this case, again, I used 12 earlier as A, but you could just interchange them since these are all under multiplication, and multiplication is commutative. So that's 12 times 7 times sine of your given angle measurement, 61 degrees. You're just going to input all of this at once in your calculator and get the approximated value rounded off into 2 decimal places. I have here this calculator, and let's try to compute this area. So we will start first with 12 times 7 times sine of 61 degrees. So we will get a result of 73.4680, so on and so forth. But do not forget, we will still need to divide that by 2 because that's what our formula is saying, equals. So this is our approximated value, or this is our exact value rather, and we're just going to approximate it using rounding it off into 2 decimal places, 36.73. So again, this is approximately 36.73. And to complete this, and since its area, we'll be using here square, and since it doesn't have specific units, you will have here square units. So this is the computed area of this given oblique triangle having the measurements 7 and 12 for two sides and 61 degrees for the included angle.